Welcome to the Holloway America installation guide for the HyperMount connection. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the installation process, ensuring you have a seamless experience from layout to welding. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare the layout and cut the hole. Make sure the hole size is cut small and carefully prepped to allow for a maximum of a 1/16 inch gap. Precision at this stage is crucial for a perfect fit later on. For pre-fit-up preparation, single bevel material that is 1/4 inch thick or less should be beveled to an angle between 35 and 45 degrees. For materials thicker than 1/4 inch, use a double bevel at the same angle. Ensure the land is no greater than 1/16 inch for either single or double bevel preparations. Now let's move on to fit up. The nozzle should fit a maximum of flush on the inside of the vessel with no less than 1 inch protrusion on the outside. The nozzle may be offset toward the outside of the vessel to allow for sinkage. Custom length fittings are available to meet this requirement. Use minimal tack welds, typically no more than 1/16 to 1/8 inch in size, to hold the nozzle in place. The number of tack welds will depend on the size of the nozzle, but they should not be more than 1 inch apart. Using a heat sink is essential to keep the nozzle flat during welding. Holloway offers reusable heat sinks for each nozzle size. The heat sink should fit tightly in the center of the nozzle, secured with 2 small 1/16 inch tack welds. All welding should follow your company's approved welding procedure specification. Use backing such as a gas purge or backup tape for all welding passes. Begin with a root pass on the outside of the vessel, followed by a weld fill pass. Back groove and die check the inside of the weld connection. Then continue welding on the inside of the vessel. Finally, complete the welding on the outside using the same technique. This completes the installation of the Holloway HyperMount connection. Remember to follow all safety protocols and your company's welding procedures throughout the process. Thank you for choosing Holloway America for your industrial needs. For more information and to purchase any necessary tools or materials, visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you for watching and happy installing.